Like training a world-class athlete, we wanted ES8 to be lighter, yet stronger. And the lightweight aluminium technology we used made this possible. The lightweight index is a key assessment indicator. The lower the vehicle falls on the index, the lighter and stronger it is.
We built our own all-aluminium platform. The ES8 has the highest proportion of aluminium for any SUV in the world. We used aerospace grade 7 series alloys for its body. The laser technology connects the pieces of aluminum at the atomic level. That extra precision ensures perfection of the small details of the car body strength.